Now to South Texas, to a case involving Priscilla Villarreal, a woman labeled as a citizen journalist arrested over her Facebook postings. And now all 16 judges from the 5th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals will decide if she can sue. This case could have major implications for citizen journalists and professional ones as well. This is all part of Roxana Asgharian's recent article in the Texas Tribune, and Roxana is joining us now to explain. Roxana, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So let's start from the beginning. In your article, you highlight a few incidents dating back to 2015 when Priscilla uploaded some clips to Facebook of a hostage situation. And then you also talk about her releasing names of deceased law enforcement officials as well.
Yeah, Priscilla started out her citizen journalism career sort of unexpectedly when she heard sirens outside of her house, and she walked out and started filming. And those clips from 2015 were viewed almost 1 million times. Priscilla now has 200,000 Facebook followers who follow her unedited clips of crime scene videos that she takes around her city of Laredo.
And oh, go ahead, go ahead.
I was going to say, she got on the wrong side of the police in Laredo for releasing a couple names before the police were ready to release them. And she did so after she verified those names with a police officer.
So she was later arrested by Laredo police, though, for breaking a little known law people might not know about here in the state of Texas, involving soliciting as well as receiving information from a public servant that has not been made public with an intent to obtain a benefit. So those charges, we understand from your article, were later dismissed. And that's when she filed a lawsuit. Can you outline her lawsuit and then the steps that followed that?
Sure. So she sued for a violation of her First Amendment rights because the officials arrested her and charged her with this little known law that no one in Webb County had ever been charged for before. The judge originally threw the suit out because they ruled that the officials were protected because they were performing official duties when they arrested her. But the Fifth Circuit reversed that ruling in a very strongly worded opinion where they ruled that it was an obvious violation of her constitutional rights to arrest her for doing an act of journalism.
And Roxana, what's so fascinating about this article, so this case pits the First Amendment against qualified immunity, and that shields public officials from being sued individually unless they violated a clearly established constitutional right. So how does this really have a widespread implication for journalism, not just here in Texas, but really across the country?
Yeah, so the entire panel of the Fifth Circuit judges are going to rehear this case, and they do that in cases that are very important or that the court itself hasn't exactly figured out how they want to rule on those types of cases. So this one, like you said, hits qualified immunity against the First Amendment, and it in one of the judges' dissents in the Fifth Circuit, she made it clear that the state law applies to not just citizen journalists, but all journalists. So this could potentially have huge impacts depending on how it's decided.
And then lastly, back to the case, you heard from Priscilla Villarreal's lawyer. And what's next for this case? What's the timeline for what should be happening?
Yeah, so the en banc hearing, as it's called when they convene the entire panel of 16 Fifth Circuit jurists, that's going to be, I think, January 24th. So that's coming up, and it's in New Orleans. So Priscilla's attorney will be arguing on her behalf there.